So we're moving right along on this project, this matte black project. I want to see if I can switch this camera around so I can show you. This is our fourth day on the job. I believe we have installed approximately 45 squares. So I'm happy with that progress. Guys are doing good. Now, we haven't trimmed everything out, mainly because it's pretty simple. Mostly we have some roof to wall flashing we have to install. Those ridge caps there are going to give us a little trouble, but it's no biggie. We got our roof clamps, our anchors to hook our lines to. They can be installed on the standing seam. I'll show you those brackets later. I think I have one in the truck. Anyway, so we did move back one side, we moved on this side, and now guys are moving into the front of the house. I think it looks good. We've got almost a full crew. We've got our field manager helping us out a little bit since we're missing two guys. Our crew leader Abel is out sick. One of the installers, he's out, had a small cut in his hand. We keep up our pace right now. We will be finishing probably by this weekend, but I'm shooting for Friday really, mainly because we got some other projects that we gotta get to. I like to start on a new job on Monday, but I don't know, that may be pushing it. I don't want to push the guys too much. Safety is our #1 concern with this. We've never really had any major accidents. We always keep the guys harnessed up. Everybody follows protocol, so keeps incidents to the minimum. I like the design of this house. This roof just makes that standing seam pop up. It looks really good. So here's the anchor I was talking to you about. It's a universal safety anchor by Metal Plus. There's their website. You can see it, metalplusllc.com. All these things are awesome. We use them all the time. I think we have about a dozen of them. Once we install panels, we can't use the ones that screw down to the decking, so we got to clamp these on the ribs of the panels, and they hold on really well. We've actually had a couple of incidents where guys have slipped off the roof and fallen, but they were caught by their safety harness and rope, and the anchor did not give. 205-pound guy fell once and, well, slipped, and a 160-pound guy. Anchors did well. Didn't have any issues. We definitely recommend them. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. We're going to try to bring more content to this channel. Continue to show our projects as we complete them. We've got quite a few projects lined up, so there's plenty of opportunity to record some video. Thanks again.